Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience, whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator. Join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here several information and various things that you have to know. But before, what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, musicians, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So, first of all you have to do is just click over get started and you write your email address and your password. Then you're done with your inscription or your sign up. If you already have an account, you have just to click over login. You can also use other option like Google, Apple, or Facebook, but I will use this one. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you write your password. Then you click over continue. So you'll find this page. As a creator, you click over this one, and we have here the home page. As you can see, we have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. First, adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. First of all, we have here add a profile photo. Then we have describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. So here, you click over here and you write your intro video or video URL, and then we have your bio, add a short bio to let people know more about you, who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. Then we have your social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect to other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. For example, we have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, and you can just connect with that and you click over save. Then we have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Then we have you publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back here to this one. You have just first to select type, for example, text, video, audio, image, link, post, live stream. So we choose the one you want. So this is the home page, and this is the next page. You'll find here create text post. You have to add a title, for example, here. For example, let's click off selling product. In here we write the specific one. How's your next thing coming? For example, selling Kyrie's shoes. Special Kyrie 7 or Kyrie Infinity. Sorry, I made a mistake. Then you can just click over upload attachment, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here publishing options. You have here sell products. Then you have who can access this post, public or paid members only or free members. Then you have here set a release date. You can also switch on, switch off, allow comments on this post. Then you have notify members when his post This post goes live also, and you click over publish. So let's come back. So that's for make your first public. Then we have your collection. Sorry, we have collection here, and you create collection. Then you select image here. Then write to add the title, collection title. Then we add a description, and you click over create collection if you want. Then we have membership here. Build your paid membership. Income you can count on. Earn requiring income from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have grow your creative business. Get insights on your members. Create exclusive member-only chats and more. Then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find this page. Choose what to offer. What benefits should I offer? We have your bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting, then we have early access. Then you click over next. We have your tires and pricing. How many tires should I have? What price should I choose? So this is the information. Then we have your customized tire. We have the first thing, name, then monthly price, for example, $50 I mean. Then we have time description here, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then we have your cover image, add cover image also. Then we have tier benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership tier. So you can just add here. Then we have free trial here, allow members to try this for 7 days before charging them. Then we have advanced also, tier experience, ask members for a shipping address and the checkout. We have also limit the number of members who can join this tier. Then we have a Discord access, manage Discord access and Discord settings. For example, here limit we have 1 million as I mean. Then we have ask members for a shipping address and the checkout. Then you click over save. So this is how it works with membership. Then we have also about here. Introduce yourself, help people come into your page, get to know you, share more about who are you, what you create, and why you are on Patreon. Then we have here library, also audience, insights, payout, promotions, community, notifications, and settings also. About this we have team, apps, and other options. So this is it, how it works with Patreon. You can just get started right now as soon as possible. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.